How to fix Ingress timeout error on Instagram. Hello guys, so all what you have to do to fix this problem, it's actually so easy. All what you have to do is open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager and then open the apps. Now on this page you need to wait a few seconds. After that you have to scroll until you find Instagram. Click on it, click here on this force stop option and then go to the storage right here. You need to click on clear data and clear cache, and then go back again, click on the data usage. Now right here you will find the network access options. You need to make sure that all the network access options are enabled like this, from the mobile data to the roaming data. Now restart your phone, and that's it guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching the video.